Ready to dive into the world of online selling? Building your e-commerce website might seem daunting, but trust us, it's doable. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. From choosing the perfect domain name to setting up secure payments, we've got you covered. You'll learn how to create a site that not only looks great but also runs ID smoothly and attracts customers. So grab a cup of coffee, roll up your sleeves, and let's turn your e-commerce dreams into reality. By the end of this article, you'll be well on your way to launching your very own e-commerce online store. Choosing the right e-commerce platform and domain. Ready to dive into the world of online selling? Let's talk about picking your digital storefront and address. First up, you'll need to choose an e-commerce platform. It's like picking a plot of land for your e-commerce shop. Popular options like Shopify or WooCommerce offer different features, so do your homework. Selecting your domain. Now for your digital address. Your domain name is crucial, it's how customers will find you. Keep it short, catchy, and relevant to your brand. Think coolkicks.com for a sneaker store. Once you've got your perfect name, snag it before someone else does. Remember, your platform and domain are the foundation of your online e-commerce store. Choose wisely, and you'll be set up for e-commerce site builder success. Designing and building your e-com websites. Ready to bring your online store to life? Let's dive in. First things first, pick a catchy domain name that screams you. Then, choose a user-friendly commerce sites platform. Like Shopify or WooCommerce, they are total game changers for newbies. Now, let your creativity shine. Customize your to match your brand's vibe. Add product pages that'll make your customers drool. Complete with mouth-watering descriptions and high-quality pics. Remember to set up a secure payment system, your customers' trust is gold. Shipping can be tricky, so take your time setting up options and costs. Before you hit that launch button, give your site a thorough test drive. Make sure it's smooth sailing on mobile too, you don't want to miss out on those on-the-go shoppers. Optimizing your e-commerce website for success. Ready to supercharge your online store? Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your site loads faster than a cheetah on roller skates. Slow sites are a total buzzkill for customers. Next up, get your SEO game on point. Sprinkle those keywords like confetti. But don't go overboard, Google's not a fan of keyword stuffing. Mobile matters. Here's the deal. If your site isn't mobile friendly, you're basically telling smartphone shoppers to take a hike. Make sure your site looks far on all devices. And don't forget about product images. High-quality pies are like eye candy for your customers. Lastly, streamline that checkout process. The fewer clicks, the better. Building an e-commerce website, a step-by-step guide. Ready to dive into the world of online selling? Let's walk through setting up your e-commerce website. First things first, snag a catchy domain name and reliable web hosting. Next, pick your e-commerce platform. Shopify and WooCommerce are popular choices. Now, it's time to get creative. Customize your site's look to match your brand's vibe. Products and payments. Load up those product pages with mouth-watering descriptions, crisp images, and clear pricing. Don't forget to set up a secure payment gateway, your customers' trust is golden. And sort out your shipping options and costs. Final touches. Before you hit that launch button, ensure your site is SEO friendly and looks great on mobile. Give it a thorough test run to iron out any kinks. Ready, set, sell. Creating your online store, tips for e-commerce example website success. Ready to dive into the world of online selling? Let's get your store up and running. First, pick a catchy domain name that'll stick in your customers' minds. Then, choose a user-friendly e-commerce platform. Like Shopify or WooCommerce, they're perfect for newbies and pros alike. Now, let's make your store pop. Customize your design to reflect your brand's personality. Add clear product descriptions, eye-catching images, and competitive prices. Don't forget to set up a secure payment gateway, your customers' trust is gold. Shipping can be tricky, so offer various options and be transparent about costs. Finally, make sure your site is mobile-friendly and optimized for search engines. Before you launch, give everything a thorough test run. Happy selling! E-commerce website design and making your store stand out. Want your online store to catch eyes and keep Zed? It's all about nailing that design, folks. You've got to create a look that's uniquely you while still being user-friendly. Start with a clean, uncluttered layout that lets your product shine. Use high-quality images and snappy product descriptions to seal the deal. Don't forget about color psychology. Pick a palette that vibes with your brand and get shoppers in the mood to buy. And hey, make your site responsive. Nothing kills a sale faster than a wonky mobile experience. An all-inclusive resort or a DIY vacation, both have their perks. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. Building your e-commerce website creator doesn't have to be a headache. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to launching your online store and raking in those sweet sales. Remember, the key is to take it one step at a time and not get overwhelmed. Start with the basics, then gradually add more features as you grow. And remember to celebrate your wins along the way. Even small victories count. So go ahead, dive in, and start building your e-commerce empire. Who knows? You are the next big thing in online retail. Happy selling!